Every creative revolution starts the same way. People laugh at it, then they ignore it, and finally, they wish they joined sooner. Right now, that revolution is happening again, and it's happening in sound and media. AI is changing how we create. Crypto is changing how we get paid. And when those two things collide, with music, it's going to create the biggest creative explosion we've seen in decades. This is the start of something massive, and the people who understand it early will have a real chance at financial and personal freedom. AI music tools are evolving faster than most people realize. Platforms like Suno, Undio, Moobert, and Meta's Audiocraft can generate professional-sounding music in seconds. You type an idea and boom, you've got a track with vocals, emotion, and structure. And this isn't just about productivity. It's about creativity without barriers. Let's zoom out for a second. In the 2000s, laptop made music producing accessible. In 2010, streaming made distribution accessible. And now in the 2020s, AI is making creation itself accessible. It's not about replacing artists. It's removing the artist limits you used to have. So instead of asking, will AI replace musicians, we should be asking, how will the next generation of musicians use AI to multiply what they can create? This is a shift, just like the birth of synthesizers or the first digital audio workstations, but amplified by data, algorithms, and imagination. But here's the problem: ownership. AI can create millions of tracks a day, but who owns them? Who gets paid when those songs are streamed, remixed, or used in a video? That's where crypto and blockchain step in. Projects like Audius, Royal.io, Ophilus, and Vibrate are rebuilding financial layers of the music industry from ground up. On Audius, artists can upload their songs and get paid directly by listeners. No middlemen, no label gatekeepers, no waiting months for a payout. Royal.io, founded by the DJ and producer Justin Blau, lets fans buy a small piece of a song's royalties, so that when the song blows up, everybody wins. And Ophilus, built by the founder of Dido Music, allow artists to raise funding through NFTs that represent real-world song rights. That's not speculation, that's infrastructure. It's fixing what the old industry broke. Goldman Sachs projects that by 2030, the global music industry will be worth over $130 billion. And blockchain could make sure more of that money actually reaches the creators. Crypto gives AI-generated music something it desperately needs: proof of ownership and real value. Now here's where things get wild. Imagine an AI creates a melody, a human producer tweaks it, a sound engineer adds the mix, and the entire creative process is tracked on the blockchain. Every contributor, every note, every prompt. The moment that track hits a playlist or a film, royalties are split automatically between everyone involved. No lawyers needed, no middlemen, no delay. That's not science fiction. That's programmable creativity. It's already being tested in smaller scale projects right now. AI allows infinite creation. Crypto keeps it fair. And together, they're forming a new kind of creative economy that's global, decentralized, and available to anyone with internet access. This is a trifecta: AI, crypto, and music, and it's about to explode. Just like Napster broke the music industry in 2001, but this time, artists win. So what does this mean for you? It means opportunity. You don't have to be a coder, a millionaire, or a record label executive. You just need curiosity and the willingness to learn. If you're a producer, you can use AI to create more music in a week than most used to make in a year. If you're a creative, you can use blockchain to license your work globally and get paid instantly. If you're a builder, investor, or dreamer, you can be part of the ecosystem that fuels it all. This is the intersection of creativity and technology, and it's open to anyone who's paying attention right now. AI and crypto are not destroying creativity. They're giving it a new financial system. And the people who understand this early will be the ones who build real freedom from it. And I'm super excited and proud to announce something. This is exactly why I started Netonia, to help people understand and master this new world where creativity, AI, and crypto meet. We're launching Netonia very soon, a 100% free community where I'll teach you how to use these tools to build real financial and personal freedom. So if this kind of content speaks to you, if you're ready to learn how to create, earn, and thrive in this new digital era, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, and you'll be one of the first to join when it opens here very soon. We want to help you take control of your creativity, your finances, your future. Every generation gets one chance to reinvent how the world creates. This is ours. AI, crypto, and media are emerging fast. The only question is, will you watch it happen or will you be a part of it? I hope to see you on the inside soon. Cheers.